Why do squids squirt ink? Hi kids! Have you ever wondered why squids squirt ink? It's like their own little magic trick, and today we're diving under the sea to learn all about it. Squids are fascinating sea creatures. They have soft bodies, big eyes, and long, wiggly arms called tentacles. But what makes them super cool is their secret weapon, ink. Squids use this ink to stay safe from predators, like sharks or big fish, that might want to eat them. Here's how it works. When a squid feels scared or threatened, it releases a dark cloud of ink from a special sac inside its body. This sac is like a little pouch filled with a black or dark brown liquid. The ink spreads out in the water, creating a big, smoky screen. The predator gets confused because it can't see the squid anymore. While the predator is figuring out what's going on, the squid uses its jet propulsion system. Yes, squids can zoom away like underwater rockets to escape to safety. But guess what? The ink isn't just for hiding. It has another cool trick. Scientists think the ink might also irritate the predator's eyes or nose, kind of like how we feel if we accidentally get pepper in our eyes. Double trouble for the predator. Now, here's a fun fact. Squid ink isn't just useful for squids, it's useful for humans too. People have used squid ink for hundreds of years. It's been used to make writing ink, dye for clothes, and even as an ingredient in some yummy foods, like pasta and sauces. So, the next time you see a squid in a video or at an aquarium, remember, it's not just a swimmer, it's a master of underwater ninja moves. And that, my curious friends, is the secret behind why squids squirt ink. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. See you in the next adventure.